Disabling two-factor authentication on Skype can help streamline your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Open Skype. Launch the Skype application on your device or go to the Skype website and log in with your account credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your profile picture or initials in the top corner. Click on it to open a drop-down menu, then select Settings or Account and Profile. Step 3. Go to Security Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Security section. Click on it to access your security settings, including two-factor authentication options. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle or checkbox that indicates whether it is enabled. Click on it to disable the feature. Step 5. Confirm changes. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to disable two-factor authentication. Follow any additional instructions provided, such as entering your password, to finalize the changes. After completing these steps, two-factor authentication will be disabled on your Skype account. Remember that while this may simplify your login process, it also reduces your account security.